So, very good morning to all. So, this is Nakul Jay, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemical Engineering from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. So, today I'm going to teach about the topic of pyrolysis, which comes under the operative subject waste to energy conversion. So, pyrolysis, we will be dividing the term into two parts. One, pyro means fire and lysis means separating. So, you are going to separate the components or break down the molecules by using the high temperature. So pyrolysis is also known as thermal cracking, thermolysis, and depolymerization. So the another name of pyrolysis will be thermal cracking, thermolysis, and depolymerization. And the pyrolysis of individual practice will be having biochar, turf, and dry wet food, which is steam flowing out, heat flowing in, organic compounds, and expansion crack. So heat flows in and out biomass and charge slowly. It takes about 1 hour for clearing to penetrate 30 minutes, and charring proceeds at about 0.5 millimeter per minute. So what are the factors influencing the pyrolysis process? So we'll be having various factors which will be includes your pyrolysis temperature, heating rate, moisture in the garbage, types of pyrolysis unit, and supply of oxygen. So pyrolysis temperature. So the final product distribution and yield after the thermal decomposition are different from the temperature of thermal decomposition. Even for the same pyrolysis feedstock, the composition of the end products differs greatly due to different pyrolysis temperatures. The higher the decomposition temperature, the greater the proportion of the gas in pyrolysis product and lower is solid carbon residue. And heating rate, under the conditions of the low temperature and low speed heating, the solid content in the product increases. And under the condition of high temperature and high speed heating, a large number of low molecular organic compounds and the gas components of pyrolysis product increases. Moisture in the garbage. So if the garbage moisture is large, it needs a lot of auxiliary fuel and steam will affect the proportion of the various product in the gasification process. So as the water vapor and the carbon dioxide will occurs under water gasification reaction, it reduces the carbon content in the residue and increases hydrogen and carbon monoxide in the gas. So types of pyrolysis unit. So what are the types of pyrolysis unit? Pyrolysis reactor, where the pyrolysis reaction occurs and is a key to the whole pyrolysis process. So different pyrolysis reactors have different ways of feeding and discharging. So Western has developed two types of pyrolysis furnace available for your choice. So 360-degree rotary and stable. Supply of oxygen unit, where the air or oxygen makes the materials part of the combustion and to provide thermal energy and guarantee the pyrolysis reaction. The supply of adequate air or oxygen is very important and also needs to strictly control. So coming to the types of pyrolysis will be in flash, fast, microwave and slow pyrolysis. Okay, so fast pyrolysis works on the heating temperature of 650 to 1000 degrees Celsius and it will be converted to the Fahrenheit, say 12022 to 1832 Fahrenheit. Microwave pyrolysis have the temperatures of very low temperature. It works on the very low temperature 200 to 300 degrees Celsius. Slow pyrolysis ranges from zero point 0.1 to 2 degrees Celsius per second and the prevailing temperatures are nearly 500 degrees Celsius. And a flash pyrolysis heating temperature between 400 and 600. So these are the various applications of pyrolysis where it will be used in chemical industry, building material, electricity, coking or cooking and carbon 14 dating. So in the chemical industry, it will be useful for to produce your methanol, activated carbon and charcoal. And for the building material, it is a mixture of stone, soil, ceramics and glass obtained from pyrolytic waste which can be used as a landfill cover litter. Electricity, which is used synthetic gas, can be used in a gas or steam turbine for producing electricity. For cooking, caramelizing, grilling, frying and baking. Carbon 14 dating, which is a major role in the carbon 14 dating and mass spectrometry. So these are the various applications of pyrolysis used in the various domains.